Hi everyone, and welcome back to Odoistic and to our Python programming series. In this video, I will guide you through setting up Python on your computer, installing an IDE, and also installing Python as well, and writing your first Python program. Whether you're on Windows, Mac, or Linux, by this step-by-step guide will make it easy for you to get started. This setup is beginner friendly and will help you create a solid foundation for learning Python. So let's dive in and get started with installing Python. So let's begin by installing Python. Follow these steps based on your operating system. So for Windows, open your web browser and go to python.org/downloads. I just type here python.org/ and here you can see even download the latest version for Windows, which is download Python 3.13.0. We can click here, and as you can see, it has been downloaded and in our downloaded folder. Just go there and click that link. Okay, here you can see a starting installer. Once the installer is downloaded, we can run it. During the installation process, make sure to check the box that says add Python to path. This is a crucial step that ensures Python will work from the command prompt. So we can say install now. We can check here add python.exe to path. And also use admin privileges when installing py.exe. So it means that it will not stop, or sometimes it requires permissions, and especially when to use in IDE. So we also check there. And click on install now. Yes. And yeah, it will take some time, and after that it will be installed. After installing it, we can just straight away go on command prompt and we can check the version and everything. So once it's completing, I can just pause the video for some time. Right. So Python has been installed, and to check that it has properly installed, what you can do, you can just go on command prompt. So just click here. And go in command prompt, and here you can type a command which is Python and then --version and press enter. So once you will press enter, you can see Python 3.13.0, the version which we have already installed, it's already there. So this is how you can install Python. And then here as well, you can just start Python, and you can even start writing your first program. For Mac operating system comes with Python 2 pre-installed, but we recommend downloading the latest version from python.org/downloads. Download the Mac operating system installer for the latest version of Python, run the installer, and follow the prompts to complete the installation. After installation, verify the installation, open the terminal, type Python 3 and then --version or --version and press enter. You should see the Python version displayed, confirming the installation was successful. For Linux, most Linux distributions come with Python pre-installed, but you can install the latest version if needed. Open your terminal and update your package manager with the command which is sudo apt update. Don't worry, I will also give all these commands in description as well. So sudo apt and then update. Then install Python using the following command, which is sudo apt space install and then space Python 3. Verify the installation with Python 3 version in the terminal and press enter, the installed Python version should be displayed. Okay. So once Python is installed, what I will recommend, you can also install IDE as well. So because IDE means that this is a tool which is abbreviated for easy debugging, organized coding. So I will recommend Visual Studio Code, but it's up to you whatever IDE you can use. So what you need to do, you just need to go code.visualstudio.com and press enter. Once you will press enter, straight away you will see download for Windows. Click download for Windows, and then installer will start downloading. Once installer will be downloaded, you just need to double click the installed installer. Okay, it's saying setup has detected that Visual Studio Code is currently running. I already have Visual Studio Code, but I would say that cancel it. So in installer, to be honest with you, you just need to do next, and you will just need to give the location where you want to install, and then that's it. Visual Studio Code, very easily it will be downloaded. It's just like 2 or 3 clicks away. So once Visual Studio Code has been installed, you can just open Visual Studio Code. Let me just close this and open again. So here we can just choose Visual Studio Code, and it's here. We can open this. Once it's opened, you can just open in any folder. So what I'm doing, I'm just opening a new folder, or you can, once you will open as a new installation, you can just click on open folder, then just create any folder. I have created Python here, and in this folder I have created a new file which is print.py. So let me just delete this file. Okay, so at the moment this is an empty folder. I don't have anything. I just click here and click on this icon, which is new file, and our first program will be print.py. So what I do, I just type a command which is print, and then these brackets which is parenthesis, and then in double quotes I will write hello world, the most famous phrase among developers in the world, which is print hello world. And then either you can just right click here and click on run, or you just click run here and run without debugging. So once you do that, you will see hello world has been printed here in terminal. So this is how simple it is. But because once you will install as a new installation, maybe it will ask and open this window, which is like this, and it will ask you Python debugger. So you click that and choose the Python, which it will show you automatically, and after that you will be able to run your Python programs. Or you can click and run and add configuration, and here once you click Python debugger, you can just choose a Python debugger from here to debug all your Python files. So this is how easy it is. This is a very simple program which I have just written in this, just a very basic thing. So congratulations on your first Python program, and with familiarizing Python environment, and that's it.